Anyway, so today we are doing a challenge. We're gonna put water in our mouth, okay? We're gonna watch like funny clips. It looks like freaking cats playing instruments. And whoever spits the water out first from laughing loses. And then the challenge will continue with the other people.
Like you can't hold your mouth or anything closed.
Anyway, so we are going to start the video that'll make us laugh. Okay.
Now we have to put. Dude, you look like Dawson when you did that.
Oh.
Anyway.
Okay. Wait, are we supposed to fill our mouths first?
Hurry up, guys. I'm gonna keep going. Really low battery and all. Right. What is it doing? Who's that?
No.
Try to put like a lot of butter That was sexy.
I'm gonna put it Okay, you can copy your back.
No. Need more water.
Well,
Okay. You're being so classy. It's alright.
Don't say that.
Okay.
Tell me what you really think.
Look at the dog in the corner.
Your face is white. It's over. We should do the other
Anyway.
one. Hold on, we're gonna do the other one.
I can't feel my teeth.
In this
video.
Don't look at me that funny.
No, we're doing a different one. No.
Oh, hurry up.
I need more water.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Okay.
I need more water. Oh my god.
Shmi.
What is that?
It's a turtle.
Anyway,
Okay, put your mouths up.
I can't touch that bowl anymore. I'm gonna puke. It's gonna be
Just
right
put it
here.
on the ground.
Hang on.
Okay, in case you guys didn't know, that's two turtles having sex.
That's Gucci.
Yes, yes. You done? Okay. 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 So yeah, that was that.
I don't know what that was.
Okay.
This is a really long video.
This video kind of sucked.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay. So, well, until next time.
If you haven't seen our last video, the oatmeal challenge, you should go watch it.
You're not wanted here.
Yeah, Becca, doesn't nobody like you?
Anyway, subscribe. And in our next video, we're gonna.
Or do like a kind of like a Q&A. It's gonna hurt if you get the question wrong.
Oh, yeah.
So, bye. Stay peaceful. Embrace your inner cheetah. Because we all love llamas.